What happens to the speed of flowing water as a river approaches the sea? As a river reaches the sea, the gradient of the land becomes very gentle, causing the velocity of the water to decrease significantly. This reduction in speed leads to the deposition of sediments, often forming deltas. In terms of volume of flow and basin area, what is the Amazon River? The Amazon River discharges approximately 209,000 cubic meters of water per second, making it the largest river in the world by volume. Its drainage basin covers nearly 40% of the South American continent, spanning across 8 countries. What forms when a meander loop cuts off from the main river? An oxbow lake is a U-shaped body of water that forms when a wide meander from the main stem of a river is cut off, creating a freestanding body of water. This occurs due to continuous erosion at the outer curve and deposition at the inner curve of a meander. Without the Nile River, what would Egypt primarily be? Egypt is often called the gift of the Nile because the river provides the only reliable source of water in an otherwise hyperarid environment. Without the Nile's annual silt and water, the region would be part of the vast, uninhabitable Sahara Desert. Egypt's topography is largely a low-lying plateau, and the absence of a river would not transform it into a mountainous region. Without the Nile's inflow, the arid climate would cause any existing standing water to evaporate quickly rather than forming lakes. Forests require significant rainfall or groundwater, neither of which would be present in Egypt without the Nile. From which mountain range does the Palar River originate? The Palar River originates in the Nandi Hills of the Western Ghats in the state of Karnataka. It flows through Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu before emptying into the Bay of Bengal, serving as a vital water source for northern Tamil Nadu. What is the name of the river that flows through Sundarban? The Hooghly River is a major distributary of the Ganges that flows through the western part of the Sundarbans Delta before entering the Bay of Bengal. It plays a crucial role in the ecology of the mangrove forests and provides a navigation route for the Kolkata port. The Narmada is a west-flowing river that empties into the Arabian Sea, far from the Sundarbans. While the Brahmaputra forms the eastern part of the delta, the specific river flowing through the Indian side of the Sundarbans is the Hooghly. The main stream of the Ganga enters Bangladesh as the Padma. The Hooghly is its specific branch in the Indian Sundarban region. Which river system is described as the largest drainage system of India? The Ganga River system is the largest drainage basin in India, covering approximately 25% of the country's total land area. It is formed by the confluence of the Bhagirathi and Alaknanda and supports millions of people through agriculture and industry. Which river is associated with Ghagra? The Ghagra is a major left-bank tributary of the Ganga that originates from the glaciers of Maptachungo in the Himalayas. It joins the Ganga at Chhapra in Bihar after traversing a long distance through the Indo-Gangetic Plain. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.